Yes, Jaima Saraswati students. Now we are just going to talk our next part. Okay, so now just see. I indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun means where we use something which is not definite. Just see here. Jaima Saraswati students, a pronoun which refers to a person or a thing only in a general way it's called an indefinite pronoun. As somebody, or we can use someone, like one is also used. One must obey one's parents, means this sentence is being said, but to whom it is not definite. Okay, so the second one is demonstrative pronouns. By this we just mark something by speaking, or sometime we just use our finger. That time we say by indicating these pronouns. These are called demonstrative, like this, these, that, those. Okay, so these are demonstrative. The pronouns which point out the objects which they refer to are called demonstrative pronouns, as I have already told you. The next is distributive. What does it mean? Distributive means which makes some distribution, like each, either, neither. Okay, so each, either, neither. So these are distributive pronouns. How does see the pronouns which refer to persons or things one at a time are called distributive pronouns. They are each, either, and neither. Okay, so these are distributive pronouns. These distribute, suppose this is something and you are just dividing it to give someone and to make it done by someone. These are called distributive and distribution. Okay, relative which relates something or refers something, like just see here now. The pronouns which relate or refer to a preceding noun is called a relative pronoun. So the preceding noun is called its antecedent. A relative pronoun performs two functions. Just see how does it work. On the one hand, just relative, just see here, it is used instead of a noun, so this is a pronoun. Just see, because a word which is used in place of noun is called a pronoun. That's why this is pronoun. The second one is it connects two statements. That's why this is, it is also, it also does the work of a conjunction, because this is just making a connection between or among more than either two or more than two words. Like, see, this is the tree which, okay, whose, whom, who, that, what. So these are the words which are making a connection and connecting two Yes, these are connecting two statements. One statement this, the other one. One this one, the back one, and one is the first one. Okay, Jai Ma Saraswati students. Now see the interrogative. Interrogative, just see the questioning words, who, whom, whose, what, which, and sometimes we also use how many, howsoever. Okay, so why? So these are interrogative pronouns, just like the pronouns which are used to ask question, the pronouns which are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. Okay, so these are interrogative pronouns. Jai Ma Saraswati students, see reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns, these words each other, one another, are called reciprocal pronouns. Why? Just see, we use each other when two persons are involved. Each other means two persons, and we use one another when more than two persons are involved. Okay, as Jack and John blamed each other. Okay, blamed each other. The four sisters were very fond of one another. Okay, so you have just come to know that each other for two and one another for more than two. Okay, Jai Ma Saraswati students, this is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun where there is a possession, a pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronoun. As this is my house, this is my house. Is a bit different. This is my house is a bit different. This is not my house. If you are indicating something and telling this is my house, this is not my house. Now the next is mine is that. Yes, mine is that. These are the possessive. This is not my house. Mine is that. Okay, so these are possessive pronouns. Okay, yeah, Jai Ma Saraswati students, just see the next part. Yes, what is the next part? Just see, in the first sentence, my is used as possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, my. While in the second sentence, the word mine stands for my house. This is the possessive case. My house, my house. So it is used as a pronoun like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. So are other forms of possessive pronoun. Okay, these words show possession in something or maybe someone. Okay, so these are the things mean. Jai Ma Saraswati students, now you have to fill in the blanks, the reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Okay, it is for itself, it is for laying stress. Okay, the following sentences use the correct form of relative pronouns. Relation, relates. and choose the other personal pronoun from the bracket. Personal pronoun which speaks to itself. Okay, so now just see the following sentences. Use the correct from the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative, asking the questions. Okay, Jai Ma Saraswati students, this is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.